Hey guys, welcome back with Cooking with Pizzazz Plus. So, in today's episode, we will be making a DiGiorno croissant crust pizza. I'm super curious to know, to even see what this is going to look like. If you guys haven't done so already, stop what you're doing, go back to my latest video before this, which was episode 1 of me making a 4-cheese pizza by Red Baron. Sorry about that, I had to cut it off for a second. But anyway, so yeah, this time we're going to be making a DiGiorno 3-meat pizza. But like I said, it has a croissant crust. So the instructions doesn't state how to make it with a croissant crust. Just like a regular stuffed and some other type of way. I have to go back and see. But I'm curious to see how this is going to come out, so stay tuned. I'll be back when I put this on. Alright guys, so I have the pizza on here, and while I was putting it on there, I also started looking, and I think I'm going to go with the rising crust because, you know, it's a croissant crust, so I'm pretty sure it's going to rise up. So with that being said, it's telling me to put it on lower first, which I've done, I believe. Yeah, I did already. And then put it on dual. So I'm guessing, okay, it says 10 to 12 minutes on lower and then 10 to 12 minutes on dual. So we'll see how this works. Wonder if it's going to come out as good as the first one. If you guys haven't done so, like I said already, check out that first episode and then come back and watch this one. I'll be back, guys. I don't know why I keep saying alright guys. Sorry about that. I guess it's going to be my thing for the video. But alright guys, so now that the pizza is on here turning, I'm about 2 minutes in since I put it on. So, I don't know. I guess I can see a little bit of the croissant crust rising a little bit. So I'll be back and show you guys. Alright guys, so here's an update as far as the croissant crust 3-meat pizza from DiGiorno. And as you can see, the crust is starting to rise and puff up. And this was the... Alright, sorry about that guys. My other phone ran out of storage and my battery was going dead. But so I finished the lower part of it, the lower for the rising crust. So now I'm doing the dual, which I guess is the both of them, for another 12 minutes. And this is how it's looking so far. I'm hoping that top part of the crust gets cooked thoroughly, because it's, yeah, I'm not sure, but I'll be back when it gets close to it. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on what's going on right now. The pizza is definitely cooking. As you can see, the edges are getting brown and the cheese is running over. It's smelling good. I don't know why the cheese ran over so much, but it's definitely cooking. Just need to brown a little bit more, so we have another about 5 minutes or so. That's what it looks like, right? Yeah, about 5 minutes or so. And I actually forgot to set the timer on Alexa, so we're just going off of this. So I'll be back when this is fully cooked. Alright, so we're just about done. Sorry about the noise. Oh, we're done. Just finished. And this is how it looks. But yeah, sorry about that. I have water running in the background. But everything looks done. Tell me what you guys think of this. I'm definitely going to cut into this and see what it tastes like. Looks good, nice and bubbly. Yeah, so thanks again for watching Cooking with Pizzazz Plus. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys haven't done so already, please like, comment, share, and subscribe with your friends. Wait, I said that wrong. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. I just wanted to give you guys an update on this particular pizza. I flipped it over because I couldn't hold it. It was too hot. But this is how the back of the croissant crust pizza is. And it's nice and golden brown, crispy. I'm not a really good cutter, but yeah, that's how that came out. And it's actually really good. So, thumbs up.